Want to repost, post and reels on Instagram? Then you're on the right video. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily repost the post and reels on Instagram. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you're logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now move into the Reels section. Once you're in here, now move into the post that you want to repost. Let's say I want to repost this reel. All you gotta do is click on this repost icon. And there you go, the video has been reposted. Now if you go back and move into your profile, and then click on this repost icon, you will be able to see all the reels that has been reposted. Likewise, if you want to repost a post, then simply move into the post that you want to repost. Let's say I want to repost this post. Simply click on this repost icon. It has been reposted, and if you click on add a thought, you can enter anything you want to. Once you have entered, tap on save. Now once again, if you go back to your profile and head over to your repost icon, you will be able to see all the posts and reels that has been reposted by you. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.